computer. All right, we're going.
All right. Hello. Today we're presenting cash flow compass. Um, and it's a, hold on, let me start
Guys, hold
over.
up, hold up. I'm generally just saying, throw your
All right, go ahead.
Hello. Today we're presenting cash flow compass. What inspired us to make this app was as new grads we realized how confusing job offers can be. And 100K salary doesn't mean much until you factor in taxes, benefits, and the cost of living. Um, So what it does is it takes, so let's sign in first. So as all our sign in is done through Supabase, it's all handled through there. Um, and once we sign in, we can see a dashboard page. Um, so basically what it does is you can create a new upload of your job offer. So let's create a new job offer. You can upload your job offer PDF, and it parses the offer, calculates the take-home pay and after taxes and benefits, and it adjusts for cost of living by city to show realistic leftover cash flow, um, and then you can also run portfolio simulation, generate correct visualizations, and use AI to translate the document into plain English, basically. So our job offer has loaded and we can analyze it fully. All the extracted information is shown, the analysis, the monthly breakdown, recommendations, and market comparison. And then we can also see key insights and ask follow-up questions as well. Um, so here's our AI financial advisor. We can ask it questions like, how does the salary compare to market rates? And it'll send a request over to, so basically it's just sending a request over Gemini, uh, over our API to Gemini and then gets the return response. And as we can see, it generated a solid response. Um, yeah, someone want to take over?
Yep, I got it. All right, on to investment strategies. One of the features that we have is to take your total compensation package and extract your take-home pay. That means you have a monthly expense of taxes, cost of living, food, needs and wants. And once you extract that, you have a take-home pay that you can use to invest for your future. So one of the features that we have is you can set an investment goal. For example, you can set an investment goal for retirement. You can set an investment goal to buy a house, buy a car, and you can have a time horizon to try to achieve that goal. In this case, we have 30 years to retire. And then if you scroll down, uh, you can, with the money that you have left, you can choose you can choose investments uh, like ETFs and stock. For example, if you plug in Apple and you choose a certain dollar amount, you can build a portfolio of ETFs and stock options. And then yeah, you can adjust the price and maximize how much you're investing. And that'll generate a Monte Carlo simulation, which will generate a risk analysis of how risky your investment is and how it's going to perform over time. Over here, you can see the first chart, which shows the growth over 30 years. The second chart shows you the probability distribution of the growth rate. And the third stock shows you the expected value over the next year, the expected growth rate over the next year. And yeah, that's how you calculate your investment growth.
right, perfect. I'll be talking about financial insights feature now. So basically through this, we plan on using the job offer analysis and to help users make informed decisions about um, their investments. So through the previous investment strategy page, we can have an estimated annual return that we would like to use. In this case, I'm going to take a value of 6.3. So essentially what happens is like our AI, it generates financial analysis such as monthly breakdowns, market comparisons, um, and it provides three main insights. It gives a cost of living adjustment, salary analysis, and then also after that, it shows an investment strategy recommendation based on savings. Um, and then finally, it also shows you long-term wealth projections by showing potential portfolio growth over either a 10-year plan or a 20-year plan or a 30-year plan. You can further expand these graphs to see what your total portfolio would be or how much your total contributions will change over um, based on your monthly average investments and then what your gain would look like. Down here, you can just use the quick compare to switch between the job offers that you have input. And yeah, that's about it for the financial insights. For the financial analysis, I will just go to the
I guess I can take this one.
okay.
Essentially, you can look at the different job offers, and you can look at an holistic overview of all the different features that we've covered so far. So, like the salary analysis from the AI parsing, the investment strategies from the investment strategy section, and the financial analysis, all in one page. You can compare multiple job offers at the same time. In the end, you also get an AI generated recommendation list, which will give you the best job offer that our AI thinks that you should take. And in case you want to add more job offers, you have some quick tools to like jump back and add more job offers or upload or edit your investment strategies. And yeah, that's everything.
Let me quickly go over the AI analysis one more time, just how it works under the hood. Um, let's click view details, and as if we scroll all the way down, um, we can see. Oh, you want to go to the chat feature? Never mind. But anyways, um, how the text extraction works, basically the PDF is processed to extract out raw text, and the text is split into smaller chunks, typically 9 to 10 chunks, as we've seen in the logs from when we actually do the AI analysis. These chunks make the document more manageable for the AI to process. So we use LangChain to extract structured data from the unstructured job offer text. So what we'll take is company name, job title, salary, location, benefits, and start date, basically. So, and this extraction is performed by OpenAI's model. Um, so how the retrieval augmented generation works is each text is converted into a vector embedding, and these embeddings capture the semantic meaning of the text. So, and then these embeddings are stored in our Supabase database for later retrieval. Um, and how the retrieval works is when a user asks a question in the chat, the system converts the user's question into an embedding, searches for the most semantically relevant chunk from the document, and then retrieves these chunks to provide context for the AI's response, so that it has a contextualized response to the user's user's question. Um, and then the Gemini model receives the user's question, the relevant document chunks, the previously extracted structured data, and then the conversation history as well, so that it has as much context as possible to return a solid response that gives good advice. And then, yeah, so Google Gemini will analyze the extracted job data, generate financial projections, as we can see, provide insights about the offer, compare against market rates, and calculate cost of living adjustments. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool.
I'm gonna end it.